Imagine the rich aroma of Nigerian egusi soup filling your kitchen. It's one of the easy and simple recipes we have in West Africa. Let's cook this together. I'm using onion, ginger, fresh pepper, garlic, and I'm going to blend all this together. Pour everything on my protein. I'm using cow intestine. Add in your salt, stir it gently, and please cover it up for it to simmer. Whilst waiting for our protein, I'm going to grind in my melon seeds. The protein has been cooking for 2 minutes now and it's ready. I'm adding in stockfish. This is stockfish and this is what you need in getting the real egusi soup. You can't go without stockfish. And please, stockfish is very salty, so be mindful when you adding in extra salt. This is 3 tablespoons palm oil, and this is what I'm going to use in preparing this egusi soup. I got this palm oil from my palm nut soup. Anytime I cook palm nut soup, that is how I get palm oil in my kitchen. I'm using this little because I don't want to consume excess calories. You cover it up and allow it to steam. And this is the consistency we want. We don't want running melon seeds. Gently pour in the melon seeds. Let them cook on the step for few minutes, forming fluffy lumps. Please be mindful to allow it to cook well to prevent running tummy. I'm using fresh shrimps, which is the protein I choose to use. You can use any protein you want. Also using dry shrimps, which is one secret you can never go without in making egusi soup. And lastly, we will be adding in our green vegetables, which is the bitter leaf, anyone you want to use. I'm using spinach because that is what I have in my kitchen. My hot water is ready for the pounded yam. Pour some aside, which we're going to need later. Sprinkle in your yam flour, stir in gently, keep mixing, no stopping. Mix until it forms a soft, stretchy dough. Add in little of the hot water, cover it up, and allow it to cook. Yay! Our goosey soup and pounded yam is ready. Come, let's enjoy this together. Thank you for watching and bye.